IPO calendar this week: 7 new launches. Anthem Biosciences among 3 listings to watch. Upcoming IPOs this week. The primary market is set to be abuzz once again this week, with several new mainboards and SMEs lining up for a launch. From the depository, chemical to jewelry firm, multiple companies are gearing up to open the subscription window for their public issues. Moreover, some of them will look to list on the exchanges. Nananan Shanti Gold International Limited, a Mumbai-based manufacturer of 22 KTCZ gold jewelry, will open its IPO from July 25 to July 29, 2025, with a listing planned for August 1, 2025, on BSE and NSE. Led by Choice Capital Advisors, the IPO includes a fresh issue of 1.8 crore shares, though the issue price remains unannounced. The company reported a 107.8 profit surge to 55.8 rupees crore and a 55.5 revenue increase to 1106.4 rupees crore in FY25. Funds raised will support the establishment of a new manufacturing facility in Jaipur, bolster working capital, and repay debt. Nanan Patel Chem Specialties Limited, a producer of pharmaceutical excipients and specialty chemicals, will open its BSE SME IPO from July 25 to July 29, 2025, with a listing scheduled for August 1, 2025. The IPO, managed by Cumulative Capital, offers shares at 82 rupees to 84 rupees, aiming to raise 58.80 rupees crore. This SME-focused offering targets investors interested in the niche but critical chemical and pharmaceutical supply chain sector. Nanan Brigade Hotel Ventures Limited, which operates 9 hotels with 1,604 keys across cities like Bengaluru, Chennai, Kochi, Mysuru, and Gift City, will launch its IPO from July 24 to July 28, 2025, with a listing on July 31, 2025, on BSE and NSE. Managed by JM Financial and ICICI Securities, the IPO aims to raise 759.60 rupees crore through a fresh issue. Despite a 16% revenue growth in FY25, the company's profit after tax declined by 24%. The funds will be used for capital expenditure and debt repayment, strengthening its hospitality portfolio managed by global brands like Marriott, Accor, and Intercontinental. Nanan Indicube Spaces Limited, a provider of tech-driven co-working and office solutions across 115 centers in 15 cities, covering 8.4 million square feet, will open its IPO from July 23 to July 25, 2025, with a listing on July 30, 2025, on BSE and NSE. Managed by ICICI Securities, the IPO is priced at 225 rupees to 237 rupees, targeting 700 crore, including a 650 crore fresh issue and a 50 rupees crore offer for sale. The grey market premium of Rs41 suggests expected returns of 1,617, with a minimum retail investment of 14,175 rupees for 63 shares. Nanan GNG Electronics Limited, a global leader in refurbishing laptops and desktops with operations in India, the USA, Europe, Africa, and the UAE, will open its IPO from July 23 to July 25, 2025, with a listing on July 30, 2025, on BSE and NSE. Managed by Motilal Oswal, the IPO is priced at 225 rupees to 237 rupees, aiming to raise 460.43 rupees crore, comprising a 400 rupees crore fresh issue and a 60.43 rupees crore offer for sale. The funds will primarily reduce debt of 320 rupees crore and support general corporate purposes, with a strong grey market premium of 72 rupees indicating positive market sentiment. Nanan Swastika Castle Limited IPO. Swastika Castle's BSE SME IPO is also open from July 21 to July 23, at a fixed price of 65 rupees per share, aiming to raise 14.07 rupees crore. Monarch Surveyors Engineering Consultants Limited IPO. This BSE SME IPO opens on July 22 and closes on July 24, with a price band of 237,250 rupees. The issue size is 93.75 rupees crore. Nanan Property Share Investment Trust REIT SM REIT, India's first SM REIT offering, Property Share Investment Trust, opened on Monday, July 21st, and will remain open till Friday, July 25th. The REIT is priced in the range of 10 rupees lakh to 10.6 rupees lakh per unit, with a total issue size of 473 rupees crore, listing on the BSE.Savvy Infralogistics Limited opening on July 21st. This NSE SME IPO offers shares in a price band of 114,120 rupees, with a total issue size of 69.98 rupees crore. The issue closes on July 23. Nan 3 IPO listings to watch this week. Nan the IPO market continues to stay active as 3 companies gear up to make their stock market debut this week. From biotech to consumer and textile related sectors, investors will witness listings across both mainboard and SME platforms. Nanan and one of the biggest IPOs of the month, Anthem Biosciences, will be listed on the bourses on Monday, July 21, 2025. The issue was priced at 570 rupees per share, and raised a massive 3,395.79 rupees crore. Backed by strong fundamentals and a solid reputation in the biotech and pharmaceutical industry, the company is set to debut on both BSE and NSE. Market participants are eagerly watching its performance, as it could signal renewed investor interest in large pharma listings. Nanan joining Anthem on the same day is Spunweb Nonwoven Limited, which is listing on the NSE SME platform on July 21, 2025. Priced at 96 rupees per share, the IPO raised 60.98 rupees crore. The company is known for manufacturing nonwoven fabrics used in hygiene, automotive, and industrial applications. With rising demand in these sectors, Spunweb's listing is expected to draw attention from SMA-focused investors. Nanan swipe left for next. Vidyan and Monica Alcobev Limited, a liquor and beverage distribution company, concluded its IPO between July 16 and July 18. Though the exact listing date is yet to be confirmed, the company is expected to list on the BSE SME platform within the current week. The issue price was set at 286 rupees, and the total IPO size stood at 165.63 rupees crore. This listing is being closely followed, especially by investors looking for exposure to the premium Alcobev space. Disclaimer: the views and investment tips by experts in this News18.com report are their own and not those of the website or its management. Users are advised to check with certified experts before taking any investment decisions. Latest blogs.